Guys, in this video I will show you how to change language on your Instagram app on your Android phone. So first open up Instagram app on your phone and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on these three lines on the top right corner, and then head over to settings and privacy option. Under the settings and privacy option there are a bunch of options. You have just to scroll down a little bit. There you can see under your app and media there is this option of language. Just tap on this option and here you can see a bunch of languages here. By default it will be English, and you can change the language from here. Just select any language that you wanna switch to. I will just to switch to, let's say, English UK, so that I can switch back later easily. Or you can also switch back to any language like this, and there you go, your Instagram has been switched to this language.